Ever looked at your server rack and thought, this just looks unfinished? Well, this little piece of black alloy steel might be the exact solution you didn't know you needed. We're talking about the NavePoint 5U blank rack mount panel spacer, and honestly, it's one of those simple things that makes a surprisingly big difference. It's designed to fill those empty 5U spaces in your 19-inch server or network rack, and it does it with a bit of flair. Now you might be thinking, it's just a blank panel, what's the big deal? But this isn't just any old piece of metal. NavePoint has given it perforated venting, which is a really smart touch. In a crowded rack, airflow is king, and even a blank panel can contribute to better circulation, helping to keep your gear cool and happy. It's a subtle but important detail that shows they've thought about the practicalities of rack management. The dimensions are pretty standard for this kind of gear: 8.75 inches high, 19 inches wide, and a slim 0.31 inches deep. It fits vertically onto the mounting rails, and installation is straightforward. It even comes with the necessary 1032 screws, which is always a welcome inclusion. No scrambling for hardware needed. The black color is also a nice aesthetic touch, blending seamlessly with most standard rack enclosures and cabinets, giving your setup a clean, professional look. We installed a couple of these in a fairly packed rack, and the immediate impact was a much tidier appearance. Those awkward gaps are gone, replaced by a solid, well-ventilated panel. It's amazing how much of a difference a bit of organization can make, not just visually, but for the overall health of your equipment. It feels sturdy, well-made, and definitely adds a sense of completeness to the rack. For anyone looking to clean up their network or server setup, this NavePoint panel is a solid, no-nonsense choice. It's a simple upgrade, but one that delivers on its promise of a cleaner, cooler, and more professional-looking rack.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.